Brian said that to me. So I replied back,
Is that
so
fun?
Try harder.
Get in there, Brody.
I go, do I look great to you?
Charlie, that's not for you.
Are you gonna put him back in?
Good job.
18.
It was only
Nice
on,
work.
Did you see that yet, Nate?
No. 18?
Yeah.
No.
It's on at 9:30
Just
on
pulled those
HBO.
all out.
Mhm.
No.
Look
We
it
need to
up.
go see Kimberly.
Go. It'll be a bed in an hour. It'll be asleep in. He just rolled over.
Took them all out and rolled in them.
He's gonna do it again. Look at, he's getting ready. Oh.
Look it. That's the best one. Grandma said yes. Yay.
What are you looking at?
No.
Akis, Brody. Akis.
Here. I knew it.
Push it away.
Yeah. Get out of here.
About ready to grab
Well,
That
some. One of those.
the hell with that.
a root beer float?
No, that's not a good outfit.
Who's that?
Hey, yeah.
You should have him the other way so you could see that face.
Did we ever get to Skype with your mom or anything? She was a shot go at go time, so not my problem. Should put
Brody.
should put a video on it, YouTube for her real quick.